Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So yesterday we learned how to write your first Python program and use variables. Okay, so today we will explore something super important called data types. Okay, so today we just explore name of topic is uh, sorry uh, data types. Data types. Okay. So basically, what are the data types? Okay, so in Python, every piece of information, okay, every piece of information has a type. Okay, think of it like this. Suppose a number is that different from a word, right? This is number, we know, different from a word, and Python needs to know this different. Okay, difference like this is a number or this is a word. Okay, data type Python tell to Python what what kind of information, what kind of information it is deal with. Okay, so the main data types in the Python like integer. Okay, main data types. I'm just mention some data types. Okay, main data types like integer. First one, integers. Okay, like we just write sort of int. Okay, like whole number like 5, 10 and minus 20, minus 30. Okay, all are like integer. So I will show you how we can check this is integer or not. I just open my VS Code ID. Okay, so I write one code like age equals to 15, and I just print. I want to check the type of this. So we have a one type function here, and I want to check of age type. Okay, so I just write here and execute. So you can see here, yeah, is showing integer. So you can see class integer. Okay. So when I want to check like minus 15, then run again, and we can see here again showing integer. And like second one is float. So where is my notebook? Second one is float. Float point numbers. It also numbers. Okay, float point number. We are called like short name is float. Okay, so number with decimals like we know like this is integer, but this one is float because here we use decimal point. Okay, so like we can say like 3.14. Okay, and minus 0.15 and like 50.0, 1.0, 2.0, like this all things. Okay, uh, so I just check how we can check. Suppose I am 50 years and 2 months old. Okay, now I just want to check here. So you can see here it's showing float. Okay, same for string. Now next data type is string. Okay, strings. So we call like directly like str. Okay, so any text or word. Okay, any text and words like I can say hello, and uh, like this is a word. Okay, and sentence like we can say I like uh, YouTube. Okay, this is also a string. Okay, so I want to check. If you want to check like this, so I just mention here um, my str equals to, this is like you already know, variable means like empty box. So I just write here hello. Then I want to check type of my str. Okay, so you can see here when I run it's showing string. Okay, now my string I just change my I love Python. Okay, now you can run again and check, again showing string. Okay, so I think it's clear. Okay, now next important data type is booleans. You know booleans. So booleans, next one, booleans data type we call short name is bool. So it have only two types of value. Okay, like true and false. Okay, two types of value. So when I just write here my where equals to true. Okay, true consider as a 1 and false consider as a 0. Okay, so I just print and type equals to my where. Okay, so you can see here is showing bool class. Okay, so just I give someone task like example of the data type in Excel. Let's create a small program that uses different data types. Okay, so you just uh, you will be you will do some things like you just take a variable, okay, for name, and second for like number, and take one string and print all the data types. Okay, it's your task. Now for this one I think all are cleared. Okay, so what the next, what is next? Okay, so tomorrow we will learn about list. Okay, so list is like very important in Python. Okay, so it's powerful way to store and organized multiple piece of information. Okay, yeah, like piece of data. Think what is the creating a collection of your favorite things. Okay, so that's all for this video. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow lesson. So see you tomorrow, data scientist, right? Thank you.